Are you struggling to add SSH keys in Docker and facing permission issues when trying to run Git commands? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common problem and get you back on track. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you've set everything up correctly, but still run into permission-denied errors. It can feel like you're so close, yet so far from getting your project running. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user has successfully cloned a repository from Bitbucket in their Docker file, but when they run the Docker container and try to execute any Git command, they receive a permission-denied error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be causing this issue? Even though the SSH key is present in the directory, there might be a few reasons why it's not being recognized. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To resolve the permission-denied issue, the user should first ensure that the SSH key is correctly added to the Docker container. This involves checking the permissions of the SSH key files. Next, the user should verify that the SSH agent is running and that the key is added to the agent. This is crucial for authenticating with Bitbucket. After ensuring the SSH key is added to the agent, the user should confirm that the correct SSH key is being used for the connection to Bitbucket. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should check the Docker run command to ensure that the SSH agent is correctly forwarded to the container. Fun fact, did you know that SSH stands for Secure Shell? It's a protocol that allows you to securely connect to remote servers. Just like a superhero, it protects your data. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that the SSH key is added for the root user in the Docker container. However, when you run the Docker command, you might be switching to a different user, which could be causing the permission issue. To resolve the issue, add your public SSH key to the correct user that is active after running the Docker command. This should allow you to access the repository without permission errors. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to mount your host's SSH directory directly into the Docker container. This can be done using the Docker run command with the volume option. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your SSH key permissions and configurations before running your Docker containers. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the permission-denied error and run your Git commands smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.